If you're looking for a comfortable, minimal, and modern fitness tracker, the Fitbit Air by Google looks like a very interesting option. One of the biggest highlights is the screenless design, which gives it a cleaner and more discreet look while making it comfortable enough to wear all day, including during workouts and sleep. It tracks fitness activity, heart rate, and sleep, helping you stay more aware of your daily health and wellness habits without feeling distracting or bulky. Another standout feature is the AI-powered personalized coaching, which adapts recommendations and fitness guidance based on your lifestyle and goals. The battery life is also impressive, lasting up to 7 days, and the fast charging feature gives you quick extra power when needed. I also like how lightweight and versatile it feels for daily wear, exercise, travel, and recovery tracking. Overall, it's a modern and comfortable health-focused wearable designed for people who want smart fitness tracking without a traditional smartwatch screen.